everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Zobo drink. This drink is very popular in Nigeria. You can even find it in the streets of Nigeria to buy, and it contains a lot of health benefits. Very easy to make. To see or to learn how to make Zobo drink, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed to Continental Food and Cake TV, please hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comments and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. To make Zobo drink, you need to add some sweetener. Today I'm going to use natural sweetener, which is pineapple. I have one pineapple that I've washed. Next, with a sharp knife, I'm going to peel off the skin, then cut into small pieces. After lemon into the juice, you can drink the juice on its own, but I'm going to show you how to make the Zobo himself. So here I have the Zobo leaf. I'm using 1.5 pack. You can get this to buy in any local food shop around you that sells Once the Zobo has cooled down completely, the next step is to extract the Zobo drink. To do that, you need a clean bowl and a sieve to sieve and extract the Zobo drink. Zobo drink is very easy to make, most especially if you're using the natural sweetener. You don't want to add sugar to this. You want to use your natural sweetener like the way I use some pineapple and sugar cane. You can also use orange juice, but I prefer to use like pineapple and sugar cane. But if you can't find it, you can use orange juice. And this juice is very healthy for the body. If you're suffering from blood pressure, it's going to help you with your blood pressure, heart disease, health in general is going to help you, to be honest. And I even feel like when add some lemon or lime and they will just love you forever. With some food, of course, you don't want to just give them Zobo drink. With cold Zobo drink and delicious food, they will just love you forever. Thank you so much for watching this video till this time. If you're new to Continental Food and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comments and give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. I love you all and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.